Question number 40. X is a star of luminosity L and apparent brightness B. Y is a star of luminosity L and apparent brightness 2B. Okay. As viewed from Earth, what is the parallax angle subtended by X? Parallax angle subtended by Y. You know, this question is very easy. Why? Because in your data booklet, it is already given D is equal to 1 by P. Okay, where P is the angle subtended by the center in arc second, D is in parsecs. Okay, parseconds. Now, making use of this, you can start working on this. So now there are two stars X and Y. So I can now write dx by dy is equal to py divided by px. Okay, but you want px by py over here, parallax angle. So what I will get? I can now write px divided by py is equal to dy divided by dx. This is what I get. Now where do I get this value of dy by dx? You can get from here, right? Apparent brightness B is equal to L by 4 pi d square, which we know. So if this is Bx, then you see Y is a star of luminosity L. L is same. So I will write dx over here. And then if I write By, this will be L divided by 4 pi dy square over here. Now what do I need here? I want dx and dy over here. Because you know, this is your By, this is your Bx, which is already known to you. I want dy by dx, right? I will take first bx. Bx by by, if I take here, what do I get here? I get dy divided by dx the whole square. You do the math. I'm not doing this one. Okay. So in other words, what is bx by by? Bx is b, this is b, and this is by is 2b. So this goes away, which should now be equal to dy by dx the whole square. Or in other words, what I can write? I can now write dy by dx is equal to 1 by root 2, which is also equal to px divided by py. Okay, so this is nothing but your comparison problem. Okay, so therefore, answer is 1 by root 2, answer is A.